Does anybody remember the Feel Unique Advent Calendar? Last year, Feel Unique was bought by Sephora and was rebranded as Sephora UK, and they had their first ever Sephora UK Advent Calendar last year. This year they have a second one. It looks like that. It is priced at £189. It contains 36 products. Apparently 23 of these are full sizes, and pre-order is open, although the actual launch is only in October. Apparently the net worth is more than £1,000. Let's see if all that is true. I used to like Feel Unique at first when they were fresh. They first started with doing 12-day advent calendars, which were quite fun. Just 12 products, didn't cost the earth. The products were then fresh, back then, yeah. And then they became 24-day advent calendars. I bought a few of those as well. And yeah, again, you know, at the time they were fresh. And then they became very, very, very repetitive. Let's see what this year's is like. The first product is the Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel, full-sized at 150 ml, retailing at £36. And you also get the Support Breathe Bath and Shower Oil, also full-sized, 55 ml, retailing at £55. We've seen Aromatherapy Associates Bath and Shower Oils in so many advent calendars. The next product is the Beauty Effect Blender, full-sized at £12.95. What is it? It is a sponge. Right, I'll stop saying that. The next product is the Beauty Pro Cica and Niacinamide Face Mask. Supposedly full-sized, but pack of 4 is what is actually full-sized. This is a blemish controlling sheet mask. You also get the warming eye mask from Beauty Pro. Again, a pack of 5 is what is actually full size, so I'm not going to count either of these now, am I? What do you think? The next product is the Commodity Milk Expressive Perfume. You only get 10 mils. 30 mils, 200 mils is what the full size is ranged at. And yeah, we're not going to count that either. The next product is full size. So it is a Drunk Elephant TLC Sukari Baby Facial, 50 mils, retailing at £71.90. The next product is the LMS Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, 50 mils, full size is 100 mils. I'm not going to count this. The next product is not full size. You only get a travel size of the Fenty Skin Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. You only get 10 mils. Full size is 150 mils. I'm not going to count this. The next product is from Fast Shade Beauty, not the Ultra Repair Cream, thankfully. It is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. You only get travel size again. Full size is 226 grams. The next product is from Floral Street. It is the Sweet Almond Blossom EDP. You only get 10 mils. Full size is 100 mils. The next product is from Glow Recipe. It is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops, full sized at 40 mils, retailing at £31.64. The next product is from Give Beauty, which is Gwen Stefani's brand. You get the original Me Clean High Performance Matte Lipstick, full size, retailing at £22. That looks very, 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 very nice. Yeah, it is a red shade, I know. I don't like red shades at all. But yeah, the packaging and everything, I would love to try this brand. The next product is the Ilia Beauty Limitless Lash Mascara, full size, retailing at £28. Oh dear. Lots and lots of advent calendars this year include a full-sized mascara, which I think it's a bit of a mascara and a black mascara, that is, and a black eyeliner are staples in everybody's routine. They're not exactly, exciting new beauty to play with or fun products to try out. I think they're being added more to advent calendars as space fillers. Oh, what do we do in door number 12 without, giving them something that will cut a bit more into our profits? Oh, just pop in a black eyeliner in there. Yeah, that seems to be the attitude here. Because there is also an eyeliner in this advent calendar. We'll get there, yeah? It is not the next product, though. The next product is yet another travel size perfume. This time you get Juliet Has a Guns, not a perfume. It is 7.5 mils that you get, and full size is 50 mils. The next product is the K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. You only get 15 mils, full size is 50 mils. The next product, oh dear, I wish I'd brought this over to show you a lot. Kate Somerville Exfoliate Exfoliating Treatment, travel sized at 15 mils, full size is 60 mils. The next product is from Living Proof, not that usual 5-in-1 though. You get the Triple Bond Complex, full sized, retailing at £41.90. The next product is a Mini Malin and Guts Vitamin E Moisturizer, full size is 180 mils. Oh dear. The next product is from Medicaid. It is the Hydra B5 Intense Serum, full size 30 ml, retailing at £59. The next product is a Molten Brown Shower Gel, again not full sized at all. You get the orange and bergamot shower gel, full size is 300 ml, not going to count it. Next you have a Nail Sink nail polish. Oh dear, £15. Indeed full sized. Next you have a neon candle, full sized, perfect night sleep scented candle, 185 grams, yes, retailing at £37. Next is from One Size Beauty. You get the Until Dawn setting spray. This is full sized at 143 ml and retails at £30. This is actually Patrick Starr's brand. Next from Philip Kingsley is the Elasti Styler, not Sizer, 5-in-1 treatment. This is actually a post-wash leave-in product, unlike the elasticizer, which you have to rinse out. You get 100 ml, which is full-size, retailing at £29. I mean, at least, you know, it is not the elasticizer. Thank God for small mercies at this point, yeah? The next product is from Ren. It is the Radiance Dark Circle Eye Cream, full-sized at 15 ml, retailing at £46. We're seeing a lot of Ren eye creams in this year's advent calendars. The next is the Runabout Restoring Moonseed Treatment. You only get a deluxe size product. This is actually a skin treatment. This is actually for the face, not hair, unlike what I first thought. The next product is that black eyeliner that I promised. Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes Matte Liquid Liner, full-sized, retailing at £20. The next product is from Rose Ink. It is the Satin Lip Color Lipstick, full-sized and retailing at £22. This is more of a brown color. The Give Beauty lipstick was more of a red and this is more of a brown. At least the shades are different. Thank God for small mercies at this point, as I told you, yeah. The next product is from Sarah Chapman. It is a Glow on the Glow. It is a travel-sized roller ball, my friends. 10 ml is what you get. The next product, I'm not going to tell you what this is. Travel size, or you know, choking hazard size. That's all I say. Yeah, not full size. The next product is from Sunday Riley. It is the B3 Nice 10% niacinamide serum, full sized at 30 ml, retailing at £54. Why are there 3 vitamin B serums in here, 2 of which are B3 or niacinamide? There are 2 niacinamide serums and 1 B5 serum. They could have, you know, kept the Sunday Riley to something else, you know, a nice full-size lunar oil or something instead. The next product is from Tan Luxe. If you guessed, I mean, if you thought, you know, oh, fake, Tan hasn't made an appearance in this year's advent calendars. Thank you for jinxing you. It is the Super Glow Hyaluronic Self-Tan Serum that you get in here. Full-size 30 ml, retailing at £23.67. Right, we only lacked fake tans in advent calendars this year. Here we are. Off you go. The next product is from Tarte. It's the Leave Your Mark Iron Cheek Palette number 7. Full-size, retailing at 30 quid. Yeah, it's not the most groundbreaking palette out there, is it? I mean, oh dear. I think we all have those shades in our stash. And then some. Next you have the Virtue Healing Oil. Only a mini again, full size is 50 ml. The next product, the last product rather, is the Vigamo Grow Volumizing Lash Serum. Listen to this. This is 3 ml, 3 ml, 3 ml, and is full sized and retails at £72. Oh my God, did Barbara Sturm make this or did Amant make this by any chance? So, counting the sponge, I'm getting 21 full sizes in this advent calendar. They claim 23, but you know, 21 full sizes. At first glance, you think, oh, 21 full sizes and it's, only 189 quid, not even 200. Then you realize, one of those is a sponge. Then you have a liner black. Then you have mascara. Then you have a fake tan. Then you have an insanely priced 3 ml lash serum. Then you have a rather meh palette. Then you have 2 niacinamide serums. It isn't exactly, very exciting, to me at least. For me, the star products here are the Give Beauty lipstick, which looks fabulous. The Rose Ink lipstick, a brown, yes, but, I like trying new lippies. They're the loveliest products to play with. I like the sound of the baby facial. There is serum overkill in here, I agree, but, I wouldn't mind trying new niacinamide serums. So that's all right as well. So for me, the star products are definitely the 2 lipsticks and the Drunk Elephant baby facial. Maybe, those niacinamide B serums, not the fake tan serum. I think this advent calendar should have cost just £150. But the thing is, those star products are rather fewer in number, right? I mean, when you have 36 products in your advent calendar and you're from Sephora, I expect, at least a dozen, 10 at least 10 star, oofy, punchy products. Just 4 or 5, not enough. Yeah, for that, this calendar should have cost just 150 or less. Below 150 quid. I think this is a feel unique advent calendar at Sephora prices. Does that make sense? It's a feel unique advent calendar at Sephora prices. Those of you who have been following advent calendars on my blog since 2015, or been looking at feel unique advent calendars before the Sephora takeover, will understand exactly what I meant by that statement. Anyway, price breakdown. Aromatherapy Associates 36 quid and 55 quid, and the Beauty Blender, no, not Beauty Blender, Beauty Fact Blender, £12.95. You get £103.95. Drunk Elephant Baby Facial 71.90. You get £175.85. Elemis is 45.50 and Glow Recipe is 31.64. You get £207.49. Give Beauty Lippy is 22 and the Ilia Mascara is 28. You get £257.49. Living Proof is £41.90. You get £299.39. Medicate is 59 quid, so you get £358.39. Nails and Polish is £15 and the Neon Candle is £37. You get £410.39. The Patrick Star Spray is 30 quid and the Philip Kingsley Elastic Styler is 29. You get £469.39. Ren Eye Cream is 46 and Rare Beauty Matte Eyeliner is 20 quid. You get £535.39. Rose and Clippy is 22 and Sunday Riley is 54. You get £611.39. Fake Tan is 23.67. You get £635.06. The Tarte Palette is 30 quid. You get £665.06. That should have been 666 for a lark. Lastly, that terribly overpriced 3ml eyelash serum is £72, so you get £737.06. So total value £737.06. Cost of the advent calendar £189. So the value is there. I'm not saying it's not. I just think it is slightly overpriced, this advent calendar, for what you get, because the UMFI products, for me at least, are that Give Beauty Lippy, the Rose Ink Lippy, the Drunk Elephant Baby Facial, and a couple of those niacinamide serums. Other than that, you're getting a sponge, a sheet mask, an eye mask, black eyeliner, black mascara, fake tan, insanely priced lash serum, a rather mare-looking palette, a molten brown travel size shower gel, and yet another nail sink polish, and a small boom boom cream. So, for that, I feel this calendar is definitely overpriced. I think there are better advent calendars out there. I actually like the Boots Premium one more than this. It doesn't break the bank. I don't think this is one of the best advent calendars of this year at all. Unless, you don't have any of these products and you absolutely want, need, will try, will use, must have all these products. Unless that is the case. If so, please do listen to me and enjoy your goodies. Yeah, don't listen to me. I'm a jaded old cynic. So what are your thoughts on the Sephora Advent Calendar, UK that is, for 2023? Do you agree with me in thinking that, it is a bit overpriced and, there are just 4 or 5 oomphy products, X Factor products, wow products in here? Or do you think everything is brilliant? Do tell me in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell and speak to you soon.